Hi, I'm Blythe Stevens, a Blythe coach, dance education and coaching to move through life with balance, grace, and power. Today I have an exercise that I'm calling Caterpillar or Inchworm Walks, which is a great upper body and full body training as a dance warm-up or as just a part of your general fitness regimen, and it's great for all ages as well. Certainly fun to do with kids. You can put on some sort of caterpillar themed music and get a great workout, just caterpillar or inchworm walking around, but it's also a serious teen and adult training technique as well. Just starting by slowly rolling through the spine from a standing position, walking the hands out in front of us into a plank shape, a high plank, and then optionally doing one or more push-ups, then walking the hands back and rolling back up is the basic version. There are other variations that are really fun as well, mixing up walking out with the hands or feet, walking in with the feet, moving in different directions, trains the body in different ways and uses different body parts, going at different speeds with different sorts of movement qualities, all great training for dance and just to feel really comfortable and have some functional strength in the body. So let's set up for caterpillars. So to try our caterpillar or inchworm walks, we'll start standing up nice and tall, grounding through all sides of the feet, maybe taking a big breath in, and then slowly, as you like, starting with the crown of the head, rolling through the spine. This is a great way to stretch out the spine and evaluate what's going on with our back today. Just get a little temperature check of any places that are a little bit stuck or need additional attention, maybe warm up. Sometimes I wiggle through the legs a little bit as I come forward. Then, pouring weight into my hands as I move my feet. I'm going to walk in and hand, however many steps forward I would like into my high plank pose. You can also put the knees down as you reach the front, if that's more appropriate for you. Of course, you can use some cushioning below you as well. And then, walk back. Already, I feel some work in my abdominal muscles and the obliques and all of my core muscles. A bit of a stretch in the shoulders and legs, or wherever you might feel that. And then I'm going to drop the weight down my tail and possibly inhale as I roll back up to standing. If I want to make it more yogic, I can always do my switch to arms and then take my next roll. Let's call that vanilla. My strawberry flavor would be to walk the hands slowly or quickly forward. And then once I arrive at the front, to perform one push-up on knees or feet, and then walk it on back. You can bend the knees here in your forward fold to roll up, or have the legs straight, totally up to you. And repeat as desired. So you could roll down again. Keep it in the same version that you had tried before, knees coming to the floor. Push up or not. Or you could escalate the situation by then performing 2 push-ups. Or however many. Then walk on back and roll up. As I mentioned, it can be really fun as either adults or with children to also experiment with your speed, with using the feet, taking hands, and then feet, going in different directions, coming back, walking out, coming back. It creates a great workout. With older children, teens, and adults, it can be nice to build on this sequence really gradually. A couple sets with 1 push-up. And then the next time, maybe the next day or days later or the following week, if that's how often you would have class or practice, have a session, maybe 2 push-ups in between. Couple sets of those, rolling down, walking out, 2 push-ups, and then come on back. Couple sets. And then slowly build either more sets with the same number of repetitions of push-ups or not, or more repetitions of the push-up in between. And then bit by bit, you find you're doing more and more push-ups, and some time will pass, but before you know it, surprise, you're doing more push-ups than you ever thought, and you're having fun, using the whole body, getting warmed up, stretched out, and fit. So let me know what you think of this, and let's try it with some music. I'm going to try some different variations. I invite you to play along with me, and then let me know what you think. Rolling down. Walking out. If you like, 1 push-up. Walking back. Rolling up. Rolling down. Walking out. Maybe 2 push-ups. 1. Rolling down. Looking forward, maybe 3 push-ups. Looking forward to seeing those. Thank you so much for joining me for Caterpillar Push-Up Walks, or whatever I ultimately decide to call this. If you enjoyed this exercise and would like to see more, please do look at my other videos on the A Blythe Coach YouTube channel, and also check out the link to my website down below in the description box. I do have full show notes in there, as well as other helpful information. And I would love it if you would leave a comment. Let me know what you thought, what was challenging, what was fun, what you'd like to see more of, and I'll see you in the next one.